Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on how to take a reading portfolio book quiz. If you are already registered, by paying or using a coupon code, you have come to the right tutorial. So, I am already logged in. I take my cursor to the Books and Quizzes tab and click on that. Now we are in the Reading Portfolio's book list. For this tutorial, I am going to be taking a quiz on one of my favorites, The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. I reread it a couple of days ago, so I could come back, pass the quiz, and get some reading portfolio points. I hit the Take the Quiz button, and it takes me to a screen that shows the book title, and how many times I can still try and pass the quiz. You may need to scroll up the screen a bit to get to this info. Since I have never taken the quiz, it says I still have 2 attempts left. You only get 10 minutes to complete each quiz, so I have to focus and work straight through. I click on Take Quiz Now. Now I see the reading responsibility code. Basically, I have to promise that I will not cheat or get help from someone else. I also can't go on the web or look at the book for answers while I'm taking this quiz. If you are caught cheating, your reading portfolio score and account can be canceled, so it's important to take this seriously. I go ahead, click that I agree, and then click Continue. The clock will start ticking as soon as you get to the quiz page. You've got only 10 minutes to get all 10 questions done, but the first one will only come up once your camera is activated, which means you need to allow your camera to be on. Depending on your browser, you may need to right-click on your mouse to do this. Use your global settings, if you can. It will keep the camera on for the entire quiz. Otherwise, you may need to hit Allow for each question, which can be a pain. Reading Portfolio is built for Chrome and Firefox, so use those browsers if you can. Now the camera is on. Don't worry. No one at Reading Portfolio will be watching me take the quiz live, but they do spot check the videos and delete them all within 48 hours, unless there's a concern. Your eyes need to be on the screen and in the frame at all times, so don't move around too much. Okay, first question. A heater is a slang for I think the answer is 1. Car. So I check that box. I only get one chance to answer each question. Once you've clicked Next, you cannot go back. I'm going to do the rest of the quiz off camera and come back. Hi, I'm back and just finished question number 10. Now I hit Next and come to this page. At this point you press Submit All and Finish to learn if you passed. A new screen pops up that tells me if I have passed the quiz or not, and how many answers I got right. Remember, 6 out of 10 is passing, and you don't get credit for a higher score. Oh yay, I passed. If you don't pass the quiz, you can take it again or look for another book. If you pass the quiz, click on the Return to Profile button to see the new reading portfolio points you just earned and your total score. That's it. Welcome to Reading Portfolio.